Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer BMW ConnectedDrive account for EV charging. To transfer your BMW ConnectedDrive account for EV charging, start by accessing the BMW ConnectedDrive website. Log into your account using your credentials. Locate the section for account management. Choose the option to transfer account ownership or settings. Enter the required details of the new account holder. Ensure that the new owner has a registered BMW ConnectedDrive account. If they do not have one, guide them through the registration process. Next, review the terms and conditions of the transfer process. Confirm that both parties understand and agree to the transfer. Submit the transfer request through the website interface. Wait for an email confirmation regarding the status of your transfer. Once approved, the new account holder will receive a notification. Advise them to log into their account to verify access to EV charging features. Instruct the new owner to update any personal information as needed. Ensure they link their BMW vehicle to their ConnectedDrive account if not already done. After the transfer is complete, delete any personal information from your account. This final step ensures that your previous data is no longer associated with the account. Review all processes to ensure everything is functioning properly after the transfer. For ongoing support, direct the new account holder to the BMW customer service resources. This will help them navigate any questions or concerns regarding their new account setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.